fell from the sky, splitting into 5 elements. They disappeared and were feared lost. In their absence, an evil erupted and seized the land. But after 12 years, the elements re-emerged. Raindrop, water. Xiaoyan, wood. Jinho, metal. Niwa, earth. And Flamo, fire. They must join forces in battle against evil if peace and harmony is to be restored. Master Raindrop.
Must be mad if he thinks he can catch us with just a few terrors.
They must think I'm mad for sending just a few terrors. Little do they know I have a secret weapon. The rarest dragon's egg in the land of 1,000 legends.
Egg? Ooh, breakfast.
Hey! No! If you'd damaged this egg, you would have been breakfast. Mine. I need it to activate the power extractor. Now hurry!
Boom! Dragon Dino! What's happening? Look! More terrors!
We've defeated them once. We'll defeat them again. Hey! I've dried up.
Then leave it to the mighty metal monkey! My poor's Polly. It seems like we've...
Lost your powers? Terrors, get them.
Run!
Right into my trap.
Now what?
That bridge!
You not get past me, especially now you got no powers.
We don't care. We can escape across that invisible air bridge.
I don't see no bridge.
Of course not. It's invisible.
Rob! No! It's a trick!
Uh-oh.
Ah!
I get them!
Let Flamo get them, you overgrown esophagus! You're too heavy and the bridge will... Ah!
Help! Anyone there?
You slow-witted slug! You let them get away!
They tricked me!
A rock could trick you!
Oh!
This is the last time you ruin my plans. You're no longer my henchman, sidekick, underling, guinea pig.
And comic foil.
I never want to see you, hear you, or smell you ever again!
Alright! I landed on my head! Anyone there? Hello?
I think we're safe now.
Safe? We have no powers.
Maybe it was only temporary while we were near that machine. Huh?
And I can't move this an inch. Boo has definitely stolen our powers. Ow!
He may have stolen our elemental powers, but we've still got our Dragon Taito skills. Hiya!
And how can we defeat Boo, Flamo, and the Terrors and raise the Golden Dragon with just those?
Maybe I can help. Allow me to introduce myself. I am Momotaro. Here's my card.
A peach?
Yeah, most people call me Peach Boy.
Because you eat peaches.
No. It's much more interesting than that. About 14 years ago, there lived an old man and his wife. They were a loving couple, but very lonely because they had no children. And then one day, the most amazing thing happened.
With their powers trapped in this egg, the elements are helpless. As soon as you find them, come back and tell me. I want the pleasure of capturing them myself.
And when they cut open the peach, there was a loud wah, and out popped a baby boy. And I know that story is true, friends, because that baby was me. And that's why they call me Peach Boy.
Come on. You guys don't actually believe he came out of a peach.
Why not? You are made of water.
Okay. You said you could help us. How?
There's a statue nearby that weeps magical tears. If you're blind, the tears can make you see. If you're lame, they'll make you walk.
And you think this statue can restore our powers?
Yeah, I'm sure of it. I'll show you the way.
Why should we believe you? How do we know this isn't some sort of trap?
Raindrop!
I'm serious. Why is this complete stranger going out of his way to help us?
You're right. I haven't been completely honest with you. The truth is, I need the magic tears myself.
Why? What's the matter?
It's my parents. They're ill, and I need tears from the magic statue to cure them.
And that's so sad.
So why didn't you just tell us?
Because the journey to the statue is very dangerous, and I need your help to get there. I was afraid if I told you the truth, you'd say no.
Of course we'll help you.
Oh, would you? To show you my thanks, you can have these.
Millet dumplings?
Magic millet dumplings. They'll give you temporary powers. I was gonna eat them myself, but I want you to have them.
We do need some powers in case we meet Boo again.
Delicious. I think it's working. My monkey paw, it's a noodle.
My staff has turned into celery?
Soy sauce?
I feel like jelly. Food powers.
Well, at least you'll never go hungry.
I've been kicked out by Boo, fallen on my head, and I've not eaten anything in ages. Things just can't get any worse. Give back treasure! Yeah! Huh? Uh-oh.
Maybe he got our treasure!
Me?
Yeah!
Isn't that your treasure?
Where treasure?
In your hands.
Huh? You lied to us!
No, your other hands.
Ooh! Measure! It come back! Like magic! You come with us!
I think I'm getting the hang of my new food power.
Well, I'm not. Soy sauce is harder to control than water.
Well, my new powers are pretty cool. You should try running on jelly legs. Wow!
Looks like we're ready to go.
They've got to be down there somewhere. There they are! Down, Toad! Soy sauce?
Soy sauce? Yum! You not soy sauce!
Oh no! The dragon's egg has taken my powers too!
You dumpling powers were dodgy. That's why you didn't eat them yourself.
No, the dumplings were fine. My mother made them.
You said your mother was sick.
She is. She dragged herself out of her sick bed, especially to make them.
That does it. I don't believe a word you're saying. We're out of here.
You won't find the weeping statue without me.
I don't believe there is a weeping statue.
Fine. I'll go to the statue on my own.
No, please! No, what are you... Please let me go! What are you gonna do with me?
Maybe crust like bug. Maybe eat. We take you to leader! Hear the sign!
If we want our powers back, Peach Boy is our only hope. We have to go with him.
Unless you've got a better idea.
Okay.
Hey, Peach Boy, wait up! Raindrop changed his mind.
Are you sure?
We're in this together. Yeah, all for one and one for all.
Isn't that right, Raindrop?
Yeah, right.
Grub? You're the leader? For a minute there, I thought I was in big trouble.
Silence! You are in big trouble.
Hey, yeah!
You know, I usually travel alone, but hanging out with you guys is fun.
Yeah, these food powers aren't too bad at all.
They'll come in handy when we reach the statue, which should be just up ahead.
Yeah, noodles, vegetables, and soy sauce will help us climb that, all right. Not.
There's no way I'm taking orders from you.
You won't, but they will. Unclog the drain.
No.
I thought we were friends, but when Boo kicked me out, you left me at the bottom of a cliff.
I'm sorry. Get me out.
Well, I got my own gang now, and we're gonna teach Boo a lesson.
Forget it, Grub. These dumb ogres are no match for Boo. He's a Taratito master.
You're right.
Ha! Where are you gonna find someone with Taratito skills for them to practice on around here?
You. This General Boo. Me no lie. You attack.
Maybe Raindrop's right. Maybe there's no way to climb this cliff.
Or maybe there is.
It's secure.
Then climb aboard the Jinho Express. Next stop, the cliff top. Nice, but a bit bland.
Then have some soy sauce.
Hey, this is cool. I always knew you guys could do it.
Peach Boy.
You guys saved my life. I would have been a pancake if it wasn't for you.
All for one and one for all.
Attack, Boo! Attack, Boo! Attack, Boo! Attack, Boo! Attack, Boo!
They're getting better.
Oh, I never want to see another noodle.
You won't have to. The weeping statue should be just through here.
The weeping statue.
That's not a statue.
Huh?
It's not even weeping.
Please wait until Ep18 has come to a complete stop.
Where's Flamo?
The passenger successfully disembarked and was attacked by 3 ogres.
What? Why are all my henchmen useless? If you want something done, you have to do it yourself.
Please fasten your seatbelt and place your tray table in the upright...
Move it, wart features!
Eat soy sauce, you ogres!
My broccoli power will stop you.
So will my oodles of noodles.
That not hurt us!
Wait, they're not trying to hurt you. Don't you recognize them?
Huh? Who?
The famous magic chefs of the land of 1,000 legends, here to, cook for you.
Oh!
We are?
You are.
Yeah! Just wait till you try our fried noodles!
Add a dash of soy sauce.
And vegetables, because we all know they're good for you.
Oh!
Now let's go and look for that weeping statue.
Do you know where it is, Peach Boy? Peach Boy?
Nope, not in here.
Peach Boy must be looking for the statue.
We should split up then. We'll find it quicker that way. Niwa, you and Jinho go that way. Xiaoyan and I will go this way.
If the statue's in here, I can't see it. Wait, here's a blind. Go to sleep now. Go to sleep. Go to sleep now. Go to sleep.
Attack, Boo! Attack, Boo! Attack, Boo!
Ow! He said stop!
Quiet, Flamo! I heard something. Oh, no one there. I'm imaginating things.
Yes! Found the treasure at last!
We attack, Boo good!
Good. I got a more important job for him now.
Any sign of Peach Boy?
Or the weeping statue?
We haven't found them either.
And we're running out of places to look.
We haven't checked in here.
Grub?
It's not what you think.
Huh? Get them! Don't let them get away! Stop them!
Here, have seconds.
Stop them! Get out of the way!
Well, well, well. What have we here?
They'll be fine. They've got their Dragon Taito skills and those food powers I gave them. That was another close one, eh, guys? Guys? Oh yeah, I'm alone again.
Lock them up good and do that guard thingy where you guard them and stuff.
I have underestimated you, Grub. Who knew you could mastermind a plan to capture the elements?
Not me, that's for
Yeah,
sure.
you should hear the plan he really had in mind.
Ow! As a reward, I'm letting you rejoin my service as a henchman stroke underling on the same conditions as before.
What? You mean give up being a leader with my own gang, my own fortress, and my own treasure?
Treasure?
Oh yeah, there's a room full of this stuff.
You drive a hard bargain, Grub. All right, if you rejoin, I'll give you extra portions of greasy worms on alternate Thursdays.
It's a deal!
Now, show me this treasure of yours.
Did you hear that? Treasure. So that's what the Peach Boy was after.
What?
Peach Boy conned us. There was no magical weeping statue. He just wanted to get the treasure.
Then Then why did he give us these powers?
So we could help him. Fight his battles for him, get locked up for him, while he took off with the loot.
That's why we couldn't find him. He'd already gone.
Yeah, Peach Boy is nothing but a slick con artist who is long gone from here.
Friends, Oni, countrymen, have I got a deal for you. Easily distracted? Like shiny things? Well, you're in luck. This very day, I have a special offer for you. Treasure!
Treasure!
Have a look, take your pick, and we can discuss a price later.
So you were after the treasure.
Yeah, but you didn't really think I'd abandon my friends, did you?
Hey, it's my tiara! This our treasure!
So why'd you come back?
It's all for one and one for all, right?
Hey, anyone for noodles?
Hey, what's with all the noise? I'm searching for treasure here.
Oh no, it's Boo!
That's General Boo to you.
Attack! Boo! Attack! Boo! Attack! Boo! Attack! Boo! Attack! Boo! Attack! Boo!
Wait!
Now's your chance to escape.
We can't go yet. We need our powers back.
But there's no weeping statue. I made it up.
If there's no statue, I'm gonna be all noodly forever!
Boo! Attack! Boo!
That egg! Boo used it to take our powers.
Then it's time to use my noodle! Yeah! Yeah!
Ha! We're back in action.
So let's get out of here.
Attack!
Hey, no more jelly legs.
And no more noodles! And this time, I really mean it!
I'm sorry I lied about the treasure.
It's all right. You gave it all up to save us.
It was worth it. This adventure with you guys is better than any treasure I can imagine. I can't wait to tell everyone about it.
But no lies this time, right?
Absolutely.
Well, good luck then.
Bye. When I tell the story of how Peach Boy took on the mighty Oni with the help of his friends and some magic millet dumplings, I promise I'll give you full credit.